Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Facebook posts to Instagram. Friends, to share your Facebook post to Instagram, you need to add your Instagram account to Facebook. So I will open my Facebook app and here I need to press on the three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here press on account center. Now here press on connected experiences. Now press on sharing across profiles. Now here press on get started. Now you need to log into your Instagram account. Now enter the password. Now here press on confirm account. Now after reading press on confirm. Now your Instagram account is added to your Facebook. Now here press on your Facebook account. Now here you need to give permission to share your Facebook story and post to your Instagram. So you need to enable it. Now friends, your Facebook story and Facebook post will automatically shared to your Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily share Facebook post to Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.